A queen wished for a child with skin like snow. She named her Snow White. The queen died, and the king remarried a vain woman. The queen ordered a huntsman to kill Snow White. He told her to run. Snow White found a cottage with 7 dwarfs. They warned her not to open the door. The queen disguised herself and poisoned Snow White with an apple. Dwarfs made a glass coffin. A prince stumbled, dislodging the apple. Snow White woke and married the prince. They lived happily, remembering lessons learned.